Hi guys, I'm Payal Malu and I have been doodling for about 7 years now. A few days ago, I was creating certain mini doodle lessons for Instagram, and so I thought of compiling all those stories to create this video. These are a list of few things that you would need to start doodling, and I believe number 5 being the key, along with practice, lots and lots of practice. So I've combined 3 lessons in this video. The first one is about basic shapes and patterns. The second one is about mandala making. And the third one is about a simple icon doodle. To start doodling, it is important to learn line, curves, dots and patterns and be comfortable doing all of these, because this forms the very core of the doodles that you would make later. And it also helps you to get a good grip over your pen and be steady. So I've seen a lot of people draw or doodle like this, but this is wrong. Try to make straight, steady lines or curves, and this exercise will actually help you do that. So for the first lesson is actually having all these boxes made on a plain sheet of paper and then filling it up with random patterns. So if you have any lack of such patterns, you can get lots and lots of them online and then just learn them and practice all of these patterns freehand. I hope you guys have practiced lines and curves from the last lesson. Today's lesson is about how to draw mandala. So before we start off, we will make some patterns which will be helpful to make the final mandala. So again, like the last session, these are the patterns which can be found anywhere online, and it's again important to be steady here. So unlike the last lesson, these patterns are much more detailed, and you have to be very careful while making these patterns. It has to be spaced out properly. It has to be symmetrical as well. So I create these guidelines before making any mandala art so that I have specified regions and I know where I have to fill the basic shapes. So right now I have created these guidelines as per my convenience, and I'm filling it out with the basic shapes that we learned in the previous lesson. If you're not comfortable directly using a black marker or a black pen to start your mandala, you can start it by drawing the basic outline with your pencil and then creating the final one. After it is done, we will fill in the details like we did in the previous lesson while we learned the mandala patterns. And this is how I am continuing with the basic designs and the basic shapes. This lesson is about how you can generate ideas for doodling. So I have a very simple exercise and I call it what to doodle schema. Whenever I get a topic, I draw the circle in the middle and I have certain connecting lines which will be filled later with things I think are relevant to the topic. So let's say today's topic is things you can do while under a lockdown. So let's say I can fill this up with drawing, eat, Netflix, bake, self-care, sing, read, write, games, connect. And you can also have other connecting lines which will act as sub-connectors to these main connectors. So let's say I can write here paint brush, paint bottles, or let's say I can, in baking, I can write here cupcakes, I can write here burger or anything. So these will be the icons which you will put into the doodle later. So let us fill up this entire schema first. I can put up reflect and let's say mobile, and I can put in connect, I can write things like social media, telephone, etc. So for the next lesson, which is the icon doodle, I have already drawn the basic outline. So I have written a quote in the middle and I have surrounded it with icons that we discussed in the last lesson. I started from the middle and I have taken all the elements outwards. So an important thing to know while making this doodle is that if you're starting from the, let's say, leftmost corner, so continue making the doodles in that direction. Don't make one doodle here and the other one here, because it might end up being chaotic at the end and you might not utilize the space properly.
That's all for the first video. I hope it was helpful, and I upload all my works on my Instagram account, which is at the rate payal.oolam. If you wish to look at any of my works, you can visit my page. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching.